Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. My today's recipe is pineapple gargi, which is crisp from outside and soft from inside. Usually these gargis are made with pumpkin. The one which I am showing is a unique recipe and tastes yummy with pineapple fruit flavor in it. It is a common sweet dish in Karnataka and Maharashtra. It is also known as gharge or kajaya. This is made using only 3 ingredients. Let's start. You need 3/4 cup of smooth paste of grated pineapple. Do not use mixer grinder. Instead grate the pineapple to avoid brown rough spots on the pineapple. Half cup of jaggery. 1 cup of wheat flour. 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas in Marathi or gasgase in Kannada, and this is optional. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon ghee. Add 3/4 cup of pineapple paste. Mix it well. Cook this mixture on low flame. We have to cook this mixture for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the pineapple mixture is nicely cooked. To this, add half cup of jaggery and mix all the ingredients well. Cook the mixture on low flame until the jaggery melts. I have added only half cup of jaggery as the pineapple I have used is sweet. You can add 1 cup of jaggery if your pineapple is less sweet. Now you can see the jaggery has melted and a nice pineapple syrup is formed. Switch off the gas and allow it to cool. This pineapple syrup can be served as pineapple jam and can be stored in refrigerator up to 1 week. Let's add 1 cup wheat flour to the pineapple syrup. Knead this mixture to form a soft dough. At this stage, if it is sticky, don't worry, just add wheat flour until you get a soft dough. Knead it nicely. A soft dough is formed. Now you can check the softness. Grease a plate with ghee and grease your fingers with ghee. Take a medium-sized ball of the dough. Spread it nicely on the plate. The size can that be of a small puri size. Spread it evenly. Now sprinkle poppy seeds and press them nicely so that it does not separate in the oil while frying. Let's make another one in the same way. Heat a kadai with minimal oil. As we have already cooked the pineapple, it does not require more oil for frying. Drop the flattened dough in hot oil. Keep frying this on low flame by flipping on each side. Fry this until you get a nice golden brown color. Do not fry on medium or high flame as they get cooked fast from outside, but from inside they are uncooked. So make sure you are frying them on low flame. Tasty, healthy and yummy pineapple ghargi are ready to be served. They are easy to prepare and can be stored up to 1 week. Pineapple ghargi tastes even more delicious the next day as the pineapple flavor spreads evenly inside. Stay tuned for my recipe on green leafy vegetables. Thank you for watching. Please check and subscribe my channel for more recipes.